how to make your own disco for Discada for 40 bucks, around 40 bucks. And then I'm gonna show it to you, show you what to do, and then I'm gonna turn around and show you what I cook on, because people have a lot of questions like that. Okay, let me reassemble and we'll get back to the disco. It's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. That's right, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, and hit that bell for more notifications. I got a playlist for cooking if all you care about is cooking. Check that out, Papa's Kitchen, yeah. All right, here we go. All right, so this is the way it goes. All right, these are horseshoes, all right? All they are is welded on to a plow disc. Where do you get a plow disc from, Papa? You go to a farm store or a tractor store. I'm trying not to use a company name there. And one thing about it, my older one, when you go buy a plow disc, it has a hole cut out in the middle of it because that's what you need. Or you can just go buy buy a used plow disc. They're pretty cheap too. This one right here, this plow disc, see how shallow it is? That's what is awesome about it. This plow disc was 32 bucks. My buddy gave me the horseshoes, and he even welded them on for free. One other thing, if you don't have a welder, all you got to do is go up to the muffler shop. Sometimes they'll just say, hey, yeah, we got time. We'll go over there to Johnny. He'll weld it up for you real quick, and then you just tip them 10 bucks, 20 bucks, whatever you want, whatever you feel like doing. Tip them, boom, you got them on there. Then you come home and you take your grinder and you grind it and you get it smoothed out, because it's going to have pits all in it. Smooth it out the best you want it. Then you turn around and I'll take hot water and soap and I'll scrub the crap out of it, and I'll wash it out good, get all that soap off of it. Then you come back, if you want to use Crisco, or some people use other kind of sealers there. I turn this sucker on. I'll show you the cooker in just a minute. And then to get it in there, I turn around and I do this right over the fire. Heat that sucker up all the way around. All right. Probably wear some welding gloves or some UV gloves. So once I do that, then I turn around and I'm gonna put some taters, but mainly bacon. You can buy bacon bits and pieces. It's a lot cheaper, and you don't eat it. All right, it's not gonna taste good. You cook that sucker up and you move it all around, get it cooked up, throw it away. Do that about 3 times. On your 4th time, taste it. Does it taste normal? If it tastes normal, you're done. Now go cook your meal. All right, so that's what we have. If you have questions down below, let me know. At the end, I'll leave a link to my channel over here, and over here will be a playlist to Papa's Kitchen. Check out my cooking videos. Ugh. Now let's go to the cooker. I'm going to show you this best I can. Alright, this is made for a deep pot, and the reason you need it for the deep pot, if you had the flat one for pots and stuff, this is curved, this is flat. So you need the one that's made for turkey cookers or shallow fryers, okay? And that's it. This stuff's pretty inexpensive at Academy. You can find it. But there you go. You do this. Oh, there's the one in the back. There's my older one. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's got the weld. You have to weld the hole back in. So let's go back to this one. You cook on it a couple times, make you some breakfast, and what you'll do is you'll get used to it. If you got greasy food, figure it out. Did you cook it too hot? The best thing to do is just keep cooking with it over and over and over, and you will get it down. It's pretty easy. Watch your temperature. Most people, I know, I made a great video, yeah, whatever. Take the grease out of it. Just pour the grease out, and you do that, you just lift up one side and whoop, there goes the grease. And if there's just a layer in here, your eggs will probably be okay. Or you spray it out, wash it out, let it dry, and then put your eggs in there. Well, there you go. I hope somebody makes this from this video, and if you do, please come back, leave it in the comments that you did, or on Papa Texas Instagram, Papa Texas 5501, share a picture of what you made or the cook you made, and hashtag Papa Texas 5501, and I'll see it. Wouldn't that be awesome? All right, thank y'all. Back to your regular program. Yeah.